Hey friends, if you wish to recover unsaved, deleted, auto-saved Word documents, then please watch this video. I'll show you. Let us say we have this document. I have not saved it, but this autosave switch was on. It is very important for this switch to be on, so I always keep it on because if that wasn't on, and you didn't save the document and there was no version of the document saved and you close the document, then it is totally gone. And even at this stage it is not necessary that I will be able to recover it, but still, so search for Word in the Windows search bar and then open Word. Okay, if it was auto saved, so I always keep this switch on. I've permanently kept the switch on. Okay, so once this is done, to distinguish, I will just change the name of the document. Anyway, it's 1 1. So click on File and then you can select Info and then click on Manage Documents and click on Recover Unsaved Documents. Okay, so this is how you can recover it. You'll have to find the documents here, the ones which were unsaved. Okay, this is one thing, but here's one more thing. If you click on File and then on Info, you may find a few documents here which had saved changes. So let us say, for example, I made mentioned a test here, and I have to wait because it is still saving it, so it should save it first. Okay, now you'll find it in the Info tab. Okay, I'll close it and then I will open it and then I will go to any blank document, File, and then I will go to Info and I will find it here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.